guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Now for today's video, it's not going to be a nice one. In today's video, I'm going to be getting your cars and I'm going to be putting a stick through it. And what am I going to be doing with that stick? Shoving up my arse. Joking. I'm going to be roasting it on a campfire. That is right, we are back with another episode of roasting my subscribers' cars, bitch. Now basically, in the past 2 episodes, I've been taking it nice and easy on you guys. Literally, if I don't like something about the car, I'll keep my mouth shut. But you know what? I'm actually sick of being nice now. I'm sick of being nice when I get comments like
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Like, honestly, boys, my car has feelings, you know. It might be a Vauxhall Corsa, but it has feelings. It hears you. But yeah, basically, for today's video, I'm actually going to be roasting everybody's cars. Obviously, if I like them, I'm going to like them. If there is something I don't like about it, I'm going to get straight to the point and rip arseholes open. Now, obviously, don't take offense. I do drive a Corsa, literally. What I want you guys to do is roast my car. And whoever gets the top like comment will get all the Racer Boys merch, boy. If you want to get involved in the next one and you want to submit your cars, go follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff, and that is where you can submit your car and get involved in the video. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright then, so the first car we have is actually a Mini Cooper, and I think it's a John Cooper Works. This is a 2015 Mini Cooper 1.5 and it's got a stage 1 remap with pops and bangs. Oh my god, that is actually pengalicious. Like, the wheels on that bad boy, I don't know what wheels they are. This is like that meme when you say coming out of lockdown like. Hey, that was dirty right there. Literally, the whole Antarctic Ocean just came out exhaust. Honestly, overall, that car sounds actually peng. This is 100%. This guy's a posh guy. I don't think a roadman would ever get a Mini Cooper. I'm standing by this. Only posh people get Mini Coopers, especially guys. What roadman drives a Mini Cooper? Next car we have, literally, I'm trying to find like shit cars to put in today's video, but literally, I think I've done it. Renault Clio, boys. But for real, I can't even roast this car. Literally, look at it. I mean, the reason why I picked this car is look at the colour on it. I mean, can you guys even beat that colour? It looks like a candy paint. That's a nice sounding car, you know, what the hell? What he didn't film after this is the engine exploding from going past 4,000 RPM. Colour is peng, and it's got a little spoiler on. Don't know if that's factory or not, but actually, I don't have anything to say about that. Next car. All right, next car we have on the list is an actual shit box. Oh, mate, I feel bad like roasting people, but literally I'll get roasted every day. But look at this shithole. Look at that, got some Lamborghini wheels on the car. Jeez! This looks like what you get stuck behind in Czechoslovakia, but actually driving it is a Russian drug dealer who has like an AK-47 ready to kill you, basically. I feel like we got a chuck of compliment in there. Genuinely, I think the colour of this car is beautiful. I mean, genuinely, I don't even know what year this is or what even make it is. Again, I'm not a car guy, but literally, the colour on it is actually good. And like, it's got to be, you know, what, 10, 20 years old? Again, I'm not a car guy. But literally, you know what? It's been kept in good condition. It's not a rust bucket. The interior could do with a little bit of a detail, you know, the mats and stuff. But you know what? Overall, quite a nice looking car, you know. Next car we have, and genuinely, firstly, I can say in every single one of these episodes, I show you guys about 50 limited edition Corsas. So we are bringing it back with a Vauxhall Corsa today. Not limited edition. Here it is. This is what my car sounded like with my old new exhaust. So a straight pipe Corsa. Oh my god, listen to this. Oh my god, his neighbour Dan down the road is probably pissed off. He's like, stop revving that fucking shitbox again, mate. If I was his neighbour, I'd be fucking throwing a ham sandwich at his head. Like, the exhaust tip looks like it's about to trip someone up. That's how far out it is. Literally, my exhaust tip is literally where the factory one was now. Like, it literally is, it don't stick out at all pretty much. But this one, oh my god, that is really stuck out far, isn't it? I love watching videos of people in car parks, I'm not even gonna lie. And in car parks, literally, the noises that exhaust makes. This one is quite quiet normally. When you're in a car park, it's monstrosity. So I cannot imagine what straight pipe Corsa sounds like in a car park. But literally, this Corsa sounds mad that it's a Corsa. Literally. Okay, alright then boys, I'm actually back. I went to have a poo, not gonna lie. Next car we have on the list is an MX-5. And honestly, this is the typical car guy car. These are the type of people that piss me off because they comment on my videos like, did you know you've actually done that wrong and you meant to do it this way because the subframe will actually collapse? Shut the fuck up. Honestly, these guys legit worship this car, the MX-5. Like, nah, but let's see. This is actually his track car. That exhaust is beefy. Literally, that looks twice the size of the bloody car, mate. This is where you typically see them outside B&M because that's where they shop. Look at that engine bay. That is definitely how one day I want my engine bay to look. You know, I want these little tubes. You know, I don't know what the fuck they are, but you know, like I want a color coordinated engine bay. Literally air intake, color coordinated. Literally, when we have a nicer car, I will 100% do that. But yeah, boy. The next pictures are actually really sad. You know, like I actually, you know that TikTok. Yes, I watch TikToks. It's actually really good. You know, that TikTok where it's like, why are you leaving me? I'm gonna miss you. This is it. Oh, that is so sad. Like legit, I don't know if this guy obviously crashed himself or somebody crashed into him. It looks like somebody's crashed into him, but that is so sad. Like if somebody crashed into my car, I'd actually be devastated. Like I know I'm roasting everybody's cars. I'm gonna get emotional right now, but literally, I know I'm roasting everyone's cars, but literally every single person who sent them in is a car guy. Oh, nah, for real guys, actually comment RIP Corsa in the comments, because if you're a car guy, respect that. You know, that's somebody's pride and joy, that is. Next car we're gonna go on to, we're gonna try and lighten the mood. This is a Honda Civic. But now for real, this is a typical drug dealer. Every Honda Civic owner literally tells me to get a Honda Civic. I'm like, I don't want a Honda Civic. That front splitter looks like it doesn't belong there. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I mean, look at it. It looks like you could eat your dinner off that. That's how far it's sticking off. Bronzy wheels. Not even gonna lie, that actually works quite well with the car, I think. You know, don't know what wheels they are, but I think it works quite well. You know, paintwork. Beautiful, it's like an electric blue. Happy days. The only thing I can really say about that is it's a Honda Civic, and also that front splitter looks like you could eat your dinner off it. Next car we have is a Skoda Fabia. But bloody hell, does that stripe make it go faster? Jesus! The thing is, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of stripes. Even if it's stock or anything, I'm not a fan. I mean, like, and it's in the weirdest position. Got an air intake. Honestly, I want to do that with my air intake. I've got a Ram air filter. I want to get those blue pipes. I don't know what they're for, but they look cool. Next car we have on the list is literally this is actually a car that literally looks like a 5-year-old draw it. If you told me to draw a car, I have a pen in here, let me draw it. This is what I draw, right? Got a pen right here, this is what I draw. This is how I would draw it. That's how you draw it, look. That is what I draw, and this is the car that I'm reviewing right now. I think the Volkswagen asked like a mechanic or something, or a designer to produce a car, and they were like, And Volkswagen was like, yes! Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. Ow. Look at the back of it. It's just a drop. That is a flat ass booty, that is. And you guys know on the channel, we like big booty bitches, like the Scirocco's. Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately that is the end of roasting your subscribers' cars. Again, I really hate being like nasty and stuff, but you know, hopefully I didn't, you know, rip too deep. But yeah. So go follow him on Instagram, and that is where you can upload your cars to it for the next one. Also subscribe if you are new, if you want to stay tuned for the next one. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video. Wow.